Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a double knife. First, let's dive into the design phase. Begin by sketching your ideal double knife, focusing on its overall shape and precise dimensions. Think about the blade length, handle size, and how it will feel in your hand. A well-balanced design ensures both functionality and a comfortable, secure grip for safe and effective use. This foundational step is crucial for a successful project. Now, let's talk materials and initial cuts. For a durable and effective double knife, choosing the right steel is paramount. High-carbon steel, like 1084 or 1095, offers excellent edge retention and strength. Once you have your steel, accurately transfer your design using a template and a permanent marker. Then, carefully cut out the rough shape. Always prioritize safety when operating power tools like an angle grinder or bandsaw. Next, we move to the critical stage of blade shaping and grinding. This is where your knife truly takes form. Begin by grinding the primary bevels on both sides of each blade, aiming for a consistent angle. Focus on refining the overall blade profile, ensuring both blades are perfectly symmetrical. Gradually progress through several different grit sizes, from coarse to fine, to achieve a smooth and consistent finish on your blades. Finally, we reach the crucial steps of heat treatment and finishing. Heat treating is essential to give your blades optimal hardness and flexibility, preventing them from becoming brittle. After heat treatment, securely attach your chosen handle scales using a strong epoxy and sturdy pins. The final step is sharpening the edges to a razor-sharp finish. Take your time to achieve a precise, keen edge, making your double knife ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.